After powering on, long press the up and down buttons to enter the settings interface. The following outlines the primary parameter settings. For the complete code references, please refer to the user manual. Switching between metric and imperial display. Press the M button to switch to PO2. 0 represents metric, and 1 represents imperial. Speed limit settings. Press the M button to switch to PO8. Set the speed limit value as needed, with 100 indicating no speed limit. Assist sensitivity settings. Press the M button to switch to P11. Set within the range of 1 to 24 for sensitivity. Assist startup intensity settings. Press the M button to switch to P12. Set within the range of 1 to 5 for startup intensity.